Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the Stryker SR-955HPC. This is for Robert in Illinois. Robert, we got the radio on AM, we got the power turned all the way down. And we're looking at this watt meter, it's got 10 watts on the top scale. All the way down, it's just a little off of 1. And I'm going to turn it all the way up now. You'll see it'll go off scale. So we'll bring it to the next one. So the next scale is 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. So all the way up is 20. Okay, 100 watt slug here for our peak power. We're reading on the bottom. See the 100 there? Audio. Losing my voice. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. 1, 2. Okay, now we'll put it over to the sideband real quick. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. All right, and a quick effort. Effort should be at 40. There it is. All right. And I'll pop it on real quick. There's a bunch of noise. How about a 19? Can I get a radio check, please?
Check, it's working.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a good one.
You keep driving.